And we still have children dying of malnutrition. This is stupid in this world today. How can we tolerate this? A human being has gone on the moon and walked on the moon. And we have children here dying of malaria, malnutrition in this world today. 1988. People can't read, can't write. Reading and writing becomes something like a big miracle. Miracle Gani. Reading and writing is a simple thing. And you have millions of Southerners, they can't read, they can't write. Abu, what is the illiteracy, what is the literacy rate here?
45 to 55%.
Post, huh?
65 for males and 45 for women.
65 for males and 45 for women. So it becomes about 50 or 55%. 1988? Huh? This is intolerable. Absolutely intolerable. Some of these things, of course, you can't always blame the North. Some you can't blame the North. Like illiteracy. I don't think illiteracy I could blame the North. Because I think we could do a bit better than we are doing now. There are southern countries which have the wealth, sufficient resources to wipe out illiteracy, and they're not doing it. Bure too. When we took over in Tanzania, illiteracy was 85%. The country was 85% illiterate. 85% illiterate when we took over 26 years ago. Now we are 90% literate. And our per capita income, $280. $280. Because it's the way you want to use your resources. It's a choice. It's a choice how you want to use your resources. And there are countries now there are countries in the south, 500 per capita, 600 per capita, 1,000 per capita, more than 1,000 per capita, and they're illiterate. That we can't blame the North for that. That we have simply to blame ourselves. And one of the functions of the South would be to criticize ourselves, where we went wrong. What kind of development are we thinking of? How can we say we are developing? How can you say we are developing when you have illiterate population? Developing Ghana.